Hello everyone, welcome to JK Speech and Hearing Center. As we can see, usually hearing loss is divided into several types and several degrees. For today we are discussing about monaural hearing and binaural hearing. As God has gifted us with 2 ears, both ears will be replicating 180 degree of the area in their hearing. As you can see, right ear will be having all these sides and left ear will be having other side. So if you see total to hear 360 degree hearing, we need to have both ears. So in cases of monaural hearing loss, if the person is having hearing loss in only one ear, they can be wearing one hearing aid in the ear which is affected. The other ear will be normal, will be left out without a device. But usually what we see 90% are above the hearing losses are binaural. People are having hearing loss in both ears, whereas because of the old systems or others practices, people tend to ask for monaural hearing in spite their losses in both ears. So when people are having both ears hearing loss, usually people who are having monaural hearing loss, they will be facing problems in hearing conversation in the noisy situations, and also they will not be able to detect the sound where it is coming from. So if you see, usually the social communication will be affected as well as the other aspects. So usually when person wears one hearing aid, the other side of the hearing aid will be not able to hear, so he has to focus more with one hearing aid. So usually when person is having hearing loss in both ears, they are suggested to wear two hearing aids without any doubt. So usually the audiologist nearby will suggest you for the depending usual systems, depending on the need of the hearing loss, they will be suggesting you the devices. So we request you to test your hearing at the earliest and also visit your nearby audiologist. Thank you.